Having fun on your phone?
Yeah!
Well, too bad. Now your battery is dead.
Wait, what? No!
Now, tired of your phone dying in the middle of the day?
Why would you do that?
Tired of not finding a socket outlet where to charge your phone? No more suffering. EnergyGO is here.
What's that?
This, my friend, is a solar charger backpack. With this, you will always have a charger with you, no matter where you are, and the most interesting thing is that you are using an innovating device that doesn't harm our environment.
What for?
See, the purpose of this device is to make conscious about the importance of using clean energy to innovate and useful things. But why, you may be wondering?
Actually, not.
Well, let me explain. As we know, the main source of energy are fossil fuels, from which petroleum makes up 88% of the worldwide primary source of energy and 60% in Mexico, and using these as energy sources implies burning them. That can lead to the production of greenhouse effect gases that contribute to the global warming. Some of them are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. The main source of dioxide carbon comes from energy generation, so we decided to make a charger that uses renewable energy, and with it, we're preventing the environmental damage.
How do I use it?
To use this device, the only thing you have to do is to connect the charger to your cell phone. This charger will glow with energy while you're being exposed to the sun while using the backpack.
But how does it work?
Well, this charger is made of a 6-volt photovoltaic solar panel, a rectifier diode, a jack USB female type A and cables, using thanks to our welding abilities and an electric soldering iron. The one that does the magic is the solar panel. This is mainly made of two types of semiconductors, N-type silicon, which are produced by adding atoms that has one less electron than silicon such as boron, and because of this, an electron vacancy or hole is created around the silicon atoms. We also have P-type silicon, which are produced by adding atoms that have one more electron than silicon such as phosphorus, and because of this, an electron surrounds the silicon atoms. Solar cells work like this.
Glad you told me that.
No problem.
Can anyone use this?
I'm glad you asked. The answer is yes. This project can be used by anyone who wants an innovating device, but at the same time someone who cares about our limited resources in the world and also the pollution that we always breed, you know? Children, adults, teenagers, people from government can use it if they want. Connecting your device to the charger is all that you need to do to begin with a little but important change in our world.
Why did you make this?
We created this to make things easier, so you don't have to wait until you have filled your phone's battery, and you can do what you need without the fear you don't have a phone to be communicated or get distracted. So go ahead, take your backpack and make a change.
I still hate you, but thanks for the free backpack.
Finally, our STEM is ready, and even though it's not a big project, we can say that with the collaboration of everyone, we can make a big change in the world.
I think this project helped me to learn to work in team, to organize my time, to research correctly and many reliable sources, and also to relate multiple subjects. It made me realize about the current situation of the world and that we need to make a change.
This project is easy to make. That's why everyone can use it. I think that the main idea is to promote this kind of uses of the renewable energy in order to save even a little bit of energy and decrease the damage that we are making to the environment. Small actions can make the big change.
In my opinion, the idea of implementing the solar panel charger to the backpack is a very useful way that we can implement in our daily lives. And this helps the environment because we produce less pollutants and waste of energy in our homes.
Over time, technology has been getting better, more interesting, more ecological, and more important in our personal lives. In my opinion, this solar panel charger backpack can help the environment in the way that it uses clean energy and it is eco-friendly. With EnergyGO, you can stay in fashion with the backpack style that you want and you use solar energy at the same time. Isn't it amazing?
This STEM project is very useful and cheap too. It's innovating and friendly with our environment, has a lot of advantages that can make a big change in the world if everybody supports this option of renewable and clean energy.
Now our project is ready, and we can say that it is successful. By the use of this project, we could reduce the need of fossil fuels, which will reduce also the emissions of greenhouse effect gases that harm a lot of our planet. I think that people have to realize that we are destroying the earth, our home. And if we don't do something to change this reality now, it is going to be late when we decide to do it. I hope EnergyGO makes people make conscious about that now is time to change, and that with very little actions like the use of renewable energy, we can contribute to save the planet, and that with collaboration of everybody, the world can become a better place to live in.